How to log out of your Wise account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're done using Wise and want to log out securely, well, here is how to log out of your Wise account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side. And now here, once you are in your profile section, you simply have to scroll down to the bottom and there you can see the option labeled as logout. So simply tap on it, and here for extra security, especially on the shared device, always log out when you are done using your Wise account. And with that, you have been logged out from your Wise account. And that's it. Now you know how to log out of your Wise anytime, anywhere. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.